Good morning students. My name is Ilavarasi. I am your computer science teacher. Today you are going to learn chapter 3 more on Windows 7. Before you learn about Windows 7, you have to know about the operating system. What is operating system? An operating system is system software that manage computer hardware software resources and provides common services for computer programs. Features of operating system. Operating system is automatically loaded on the computer when we switch on the computer. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Students, who is a user? Correct. The person who is working on the computer is a user. The next one, the operating system is responsible for managing all the software. And it is also responsible for controlling the program execution. Without a OS, a computer does not work. Now, there are many kinds of operating systems is there. For example, Windows, Linux, Apple, Android and etc. In that, MS Windows is the most important and widely used operating system. Windows is the graphical user interface based operating system which is very user friendly. There are many Windows versions are used. The earlier versions are Windows 97, Windows 2000, Windows XP and Windows Vista. Later versions are Windows 7, 8, 10. In this lesson, we are going to learn about Windows 7. Now, Windows 7. Students, when we switch on the computer takes a little time to start. That time taken for loading the operating system. This process of loading of OS is called booting. What is that? Booting. After the booting process is over, the first screen that the user see is called desktop. Now, learn about various desktop icons and section of Windows 7. Children, see here. This is Windows 7 desktop. These are called icons. This is start button. And this is taskbar. In taskbar, frequently used applications are present here. And these are called document icons. When you minimize a document, it will visible here. That is called document icons. And this is my computer. The My Computer is called disk drive icons. Moving Windows taskbar. Taskbar is the important part of the Windows desktop. The taskbar contains start button and the icons of running program. Taskbar can be able to move it to the side or top of the desktop. Let us know how to move the taskbar. Place the mouse pointer on the blank area of the taskbar. Then click and drag the taskbar where you want to keep. Students, you all know how to move the taskbar. Now we move to the next topic. Desktop icons. First one is about My Computer. When we double click on the My Computer, the window showing a list of disk drives. This window is divided into two sections. One is hard disk drive and another one is devices with removable storage. Now let us learn about the hard disk drive. This shows the partition of different hard disk drive in computer. It may be 2 or 3 partition. That is the storage of hard disk. And second one is devices with removable storage. This section shows that removable storage devices, for example, pen drive, CD or flash drive, etc. Next one is recycle bin. Students, it is like a trash, a dustbin. When we delete a file, it does not get permanently deleted from the computer. It's saved in the recycle bin until you delete from there. We can restore the files or delete the files permanently from the system by using the recycle bin. Customizing desktop. Desktop of the computer can be customized as our wish. We can change its appearance and add or delete gadgets and icons from it. Let us know how to do this. First one, right click on the desktop. Select the gadgets option. The gadgets option will display. In that, double click on the gadgets to add on the desktop. Your selected gadgets will appear on the desktop. If you want to delete that gadgets, right click on the gadgets and select close. It will be deleted. Files and folders. All the information which is stored by us on the computer is present in the hard disk. Various programs of Windows 7. Now Notepad and WordPad. Notepad and WordPad are the text editors present in Windows by default. Let us know about Notepad. Microsoft Notepad is a simple text editor. This program is used to create a simple text files. It saves a file with the .txt file extension. Next one, WordPad. WordPad is a better program than Notepad as it allows creation, formatting, saving, printing of documents, and coloring, setting margins, inserting objects and etc. It saves file with .dot or .tf extensions. To open a WordPad, click on Start, All Program, Accessories, select WordPad. The WordPad window will appear. Here you can do your document. Next one, Calculator. It is a program which is used to make calculations on the computer. It looks similar to a normal calculator. We can press on the keys given on numeric keypad. To open a calculator, click on Start, then All Program, Accessories and select Calculator. Window Media Player. Window Media Player is used to play audio and video files. To open Window Media Player, click on Start, All Program, Window Media Player. When the Window Media Player open, can play a music or watch the movies. Now, Internet Explorer. It is a web browser which is used to access the internet on the computer. To open an Internet Explorer, click on Start, All Program, Internet Explorer. The web browser will open. Here you can search all the informations. Student, I hope now you all have understood about the Windows 7. Thank you children. Have a nice day.